Hi everyone and welcome in a new video. The SQL select statement retrieves data from the one or more database tables. In this video we are going to show you how to write select in SQL Server with examples. Let's start with the syntax of the SQL Server select statement. So this is a comment, select SQL Server select statement. Select will be colon names from source. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the syntax of the SQL Server select statement. So the columns, you are going to select one or more number of columns from the SQL tables. The SQL select statement returns all the records present in the table. If you want to restrict the rows, then please use the where clause or top clause. And to select data from multiple database tables, you can use joins. So we are going to use this table to explain more the select statement. So as you can see here, we have this query, which is select. Let's delete this one. We don't need the top statement or the top clause, and select all those are all the column names of this table, employee table. So select SQL select all columns example, this one. So we are going to present it with the select all columns. So you can, instead of doing this, you can do this query, select star from the same number, the same name of table. Let's execute. Let's execute the both at the same time. And let's see the output. So as you can see here is the same output, okay, with the same number of rows, 2090 rows, okay. So in this SQL select statement example, we select all the columns present in this employee table. So in select statement, the star is the shortcut to represent all the available columns in the source tables. Okay. So but we have problems we select star from. So first of all, the SQL select from star from statement will retrieve all the columns from the table. Most of time we do not require. Most of the time we do not require all the columns in the table. So please avoid using this statement for selecting all the column names. The select star from will select the columns in the default order. Sometimes we may need to change the order of the columns while displaying them. And finally, if there are any changes made in the underlying table, recording columns, removing or adding columns will not reflect the views creating using select star. Okay, so please don't use the SQL select star from statement in real time, even to retrieve all the columns present in a table. The second approach, placing all the columns names after the select keyword. So for instance, the above, as you can see, we are going to change this one. We are going to choose only the wanted columns. Let's execute. As you can see here, and we are going to select few columns, not all of them. So in real time, selecting all columns in a table is not the case. So you can restrict the columns in SQL Server select statement, because there will be some columns such as the ones that we already deleted. We are going not we are not going to use, and which may not require in our select statement. So we are going to select only the necessary the columns that we want to display, and we help us to take decisions or to create joins, etc. Okay. Note, if you forget the comma between the columns, then SQL Server assumes the second column as the alias column for the first column. So please be careful. Okay. So select statement in Management Studio. Within the Management Studio, navigate to the required database and then select the required table. Right click on the wanted table, and we'll open the context menu with different options, as you can see here, and pick select top 1000 rows. And as you can see here, we have the top close. From the above context menu, we have to select the select top 1000 rows, as we said, and this option generates this SQL Server select statement for us to see all the records. Remove the top close top 1000 from the above statement. Okay. So that's all for our video. I hope that you enjoyed. This is the third video for the SQL syntax course. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to check my last videos, and to give me your feedback. Also, don't forget to to click on the like button, subscribe button, and to leave a comment with in which you want to see in next videos, and with your feedback from these videos. I hope also to mention the topics that you want to see in SQL and in Power BI, SSRS, SSRS, SSES, Tableau software, etc. Everything in business intelligence. Thanks all again for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you in next videos. Bye.